Good afternoon, welcome to VANIKIAS. So we'll start discussing science and technology MCQs. Okay. So first question. India's Mars orbiter spacecraft was completed 7 years in its orbit. Will be under design mission life of 6 years, 6 months. Consider the following statements regarding Mars orbiter mission. MOM. Mars orbiter mission is the first interplanetary mission of ISRO. Interplanetary means from one planet to another planet. That is interplanetary. So first statement is obviously right. It is first interplanetary mission of ISRO. Next, the primary objective of the mission was to source the signs of ancient life on the planet Mars. So, what is the objective of Mars? First statement is right. Second statement is not right. The primary objective is it is just a demonstration venture. That means that we can send a interplanetary mission to another orbit, right? So it is not related to its ancient life. There is no. We don't have any evidence of life. So how can be there is ancient life? So one only option is the right answer. CRISPR-based genetic engineering technology. CRISPR-based genetic engineering technology can be used in which of the following areas? CRISPR is a gene editing technology, genetic engineering technology by which we can cut the DNA or you can add some DNA. That is CRISPR technology. Okay. Gene editing technology. It's a gene editing technology. It can be used in which of the following areas? Restrain a population of mosquitoes to infect humans. Yes. To control mosquito also. To control mosquito that infect human. CRISPR technology can also be used. So first statement is right. Enhancement of crop production. Yes, enhancing crop production and live imaging of DNA, RNA. Improve production of biofuels, all these dimensions. Genetic engineering technology can be used. How in case of biofuel, for example, by creating 5G, 5 biofuel, for that is 4th generation biofuel, that is GM crop. We can create GM crop and that will produce by genetic engineering and that will produce higher production, okay, with low input cost and a high drought and pest resistance. Consider the following statement. The vaccines for COVID-19 currently used are mainly infection preventing vaccines. The breakthrough infection refers to infection of SARS-CoV virus 2 that occurs even after the first dose and or after the second dose of the vaccine. So what is the why we use vaccines? No, that will not prevent infection. These are not infection preventing vaccine. Why? Because even the COVID vaccine, after taking the COVID vaccine, the people can suffer from COVID as well. So the infection may occur. So it is disease modifying vaccine. Disease modifying vaccine. Disease modifying vaccine. Next is the breakthrough infection. Refers to infection of COVID virus that occurs even after the first dose or second dose of vaccine. Yes. So it infection it occurs. The protective barrier of antibodies, when it enters the protective barrier of antibodies, because already you have taken a vaccine, so that is protective barrier. If the virus enters that is called as a breakthrough infection. So second statement is right. What is deep tech? Deep technology. What is deep tech? Deep technology includes which of the following? What is deep tech actually? Deep technology it means advanced manufacturing in robotics. Deep technology means advanced manufacturing, robotics, this blockchain, big data, all their advanced level of technology. So that is called a deep technology. They are growing too rapidly. So this advanced manufacturing, that is, for example, 3D printing, it's a mode of advanced manufacturing, or robotics, that is based on artificial intelligence, or blockchain, or big data. These all are advanced manufacturing. So all of the options are right regarding deep technology, industries, or deep technologies. Okay, so all the options are right regarding deep technologies. Just a second. Next, consider the following statements regarding Chapier mission. What is Chapier mission? Chapier mission is a series of analog missions that will create Mars life habitats on Earth. Mars life habitats on Earth that will be created by Chapier mission. It is an initiative of Chinese Space Agency. Which of the following statements are correct? Only initiative was this is wrong. This is initiative of NASA. It's a initiative of NASA. The objective is To obtain accurate data regarding during the analog, the habitat will be mass realistic as possible. That means data will be like Mars. We will create a habitat that will completely like Mars and we will observe it. So this SAPIA mission, it's a mass analog mission. It's not initiative. It is an initiative of NASA. So two only answer is the two only. Which the following statement is correct? So the answer is one only. Okay. Next, arrange the decreasing order of installed capacity of renewable energy in India. Renewable energy in India. What are decreasing order? Obviously, solar energy will come first because government has out of 168, government has spent around 100 gigawatt in terms of solar energy. Right. Next is wind energy. This is right. Solar energy, wind energy, next small hydro energy, then bioenergy. So solar energy, it is greater than wind energy. Right, greater than wind energy, greater than small hydro energy. Small hydro energy and bioenergy. Next. Consider the following statement regarding Nipah virus infection. Nipah virus infection has lower mortality rate and incubation period compared to coronavirus. It has ability to infect much wider variety of animals. This statement is right. Right. It has high mortality rate, higher mortality rate. Nipah virus has higher mortality rate. The animal host reservoir of Nipah virus similar to host reservoir of Hendra virus. Yes, 2 and 3 options are right. So 2 and 3 are right. Animal host for both HIV and HIV. And the fruit bat is the fruit bat. Right? It is fruit bat. Firecrackers contain which of the following chemicals? Firecracker: aluminium, barium, potassium, iron or strontium. Firecrackers. It is all the options. Aluminium, barium, potassium, iron, strontium, all are included in the firecrackers. Consider the following statements regarding about poliomyelitis. Poliomyelitis, it is a highly infectious viral disease which mainly affects the young children. Yes, young children below 5 years age are the usually mostly affected because of polio. The virus is transmitted by person to person, spread through contaminated water and food. Yes, polio disease can be cured with a proper medication. Which the following statements is correct? It cannot be cured with proper medication. So that's why it only can be prevented by. It can be prevented. It cannot be cured. So third statement is wrong. So 1 and 2 options will be right. DNA profiling is used in which of the following areas? DNA profiling. What is DNA profiling? It is determining individual characteristics. That is DNA profiling, individual characteristics. Why it is used? Criminal investigation, yes. By knowing individual characteristics, criminal investigation can be done. Parentage testing, whether a particular person is not parent of a baby or not. Then genealogical research. Okay. And so study of animal and plant population. What can be done in case of genealogical medical research? So regarding gene, so all the statements are correct regarding DNA profiling. Consider the following statements. Hydrogen exists only combined with other elements. It can be extracted from natural occurring compound like water. Hydrogen fuel must be transferred into electricity by fuel. Before it can be used as a power for truck or car truck. What is true regarding the hydrogen fuel? Okay. Both the statements are, which the following statements are correct? Both the statements. But to transfer to electricity, so both the statements are wrong. Which the following statements are incorrect. Both the statements are incorrect. So hydrogen fuel, neither of them are incorrect. So both statements are right. Hydrogen exists only combined with other elements. It can be absorbed from atmosphere by H2 plus O2. And hydrogen must be transferred into electricity by fuel before it can be used as a power or truck or car, because hydrogen is highly inflammable and that will damage. That's why both the statements are correct here. Silicosis is part of pneumoconiasis family diseases described in policy as a occupational diseases due to dust exposure. They are incurable, cause permanent disability, and are totally preventable by available by measures. In technology, Rajasthan is the first state to notify silicosis as an epidemic disease. Yes, Rajasthan has declared silicosis as an epidemic disease. It is an incurable, cause permanent disability, and totally preventable. Yes, this is totally preventable if you use mask And silicosis is a part of pneumoconiosis family described as a policy of occupation of disease due to dust exposures. Consider the following statements regarding malaria elimination. Malaria elimination certificate from WHO is awarded to a country when chain of transmission of disease has been displayed nationwide at least 3 consecutive months. This is wrong. It's not 3 consecutive months, it's 3 consecutive years, right? In case of malaria, it is 3 consecutive years, it's not consecutive months. Just a second. Children under age 25. Children under age 25 are most vulnerable group affected by malaria. Okay, so children under 5 years are most vulnerable group to affected by malaria. Malaria is both preventable and curable. Which of the following statements are correct regarding malaria? So first statement is wrong. When first statement is wrong, automatically all the options B and 3 options are wrong. Now you have 3 or 2 or 3. So 3 is right, rest you have to think whether 2 is right or wrong. Are most vulnerable group. Yes. Children under 5 age group are most vulnerable group regarding malaria. Just a second. The application of navigation with Indian constellation NAVIC system included terrestrial, aerial, marine navigation, disaster management, vehicle tracking and fleet management, geodetic data capture. NAVIC. NAVIC is also called as IRNSS. Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. IRNSS. It is the indigenous navigation satellite of India, right? That will be cover around 1500 km around India's boundary. It will provide navigation. It is localized navigation, like GPS. GPS is providing navigation to whole world. Then Navig will provide for India and its surrounding areas. So what can be used? Navigation, yes. Terrestrial, aerial and marine navigation, yes. Marine navigation. It can be used by the sea trawlers. Then disaster management. Then vehicle tracking and field management. Geodetic data capture. So what are the all the statements? All the applications are applicable. So D is the answer. All this is the answer. Consider the following statements regarding Cumberland line. Cumberland line is an international recognized boundary of space which lies around 100 kilometers above mean sea level. Boundary of space that lies 100 kilometers above mean sea level. Enters the space station orbits in the Cumberland line. So what is Cumberland line? Which of the following statements is correct? It enters a recognized boundary of space which is around 100 kilometers above the mean sea level. This is right. Enters the space station, it is not in the Cumberland line. It is around 400 to 500 kilometers. It is much above the Cumberland line. So first A option is the right option. So as into the Cumberland line is concerned. Okay. It is a recognized boundary of space. So one only option is the right option. Then consider the following statements regarding rare diseases. Rare diseases. What do you mean by rare diseases? A rare disease is any disease that affects a small percentage of population. A rare disease is not genetic in nature. Rare diseases are characterized by wide diversity of symptoms that vary not only from disease to disease, but also from patient to patient suffering from the same disease. So what are the rare diseases? Rare disease is also called as orphan disease. Remember, orphan disease. It affects a small percentage of population. Rare disease affects a small percentage of population. This is right. And rare disease is not genetic in nature. This is wrong. Rare disease may be genetic in nature. It may be genetic in nature. For example, it is there and common genetic. For example, hemophilia. These are genetic in nature, right? Thalassemia. These are genetic in nature. Sickle cell anemia. These are right. These are genetic in nature. These are rare diseases. So rare diseases are genetic in nature. They are small percent of population and wide variety of symptoms. So they are also transferred from patient to patient. So 1 and 3 options will be right option regarding rare diseases. ASTROSAT, a multi-institute collaborative project. ASTROSAT, multi-institute collaborative project, is a satellite to detect movement of Earth's surface, scientific expedition to study sun, multi-wavelength space telescope. What is ASTROSAT? Astro. So obviously it is a spacecraft to multi-wavelength space telescope. It is multi-wavelength space telescope, right? Who will observe the astronomical issue. It will make astronomical observation. So C is the answer. Consider the following statements. Mutations in viruses are natural part of evolution. A A variant of a virus is created by a combination of mutations. Which of the following statements are right? Are incorrect. Variant of virus is created by a combination of mutations. Mutation in viruses are incorrect. Both the statements are correct here. Natural mutations are natural. This is correct. Variant of virus created by combination of mutations. Yes, this is correct. So both the statements are correct. So what is incorrect? Neither one nor two are the incorrect statements. NASA and ISRO are collaborating on a developing satellite. Well, NASA is a synthetic aperture radar. NISA to be launched in 2024. It measures Earth changing ecosystem and wise process. Yes, it is an Earth observation satellite. NISA is a Earth observation satellite. Right. Earth observation satellite. It provides information about sea level rise and groundwater. Yes, it can also provide because it is Earth observation satellite. It will observe every small changes on Earth's surface. Detects movement on the Earth's surface. Detect movements on the Earth's surface. This is also right. So all the statements 1 to 3 are right. What are the following statements regarding Guillain-Barré syndrome (GBS)? GBS is a rare autoimmune disorder. It is caused by bacteria or viral infection. It attacks peripheral nervous system. GBS. All the statements regarding GBS are right. It is a rare autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disorder. So what happens? Autoimmune disorder. What do you mean autoimmune disorder? Actually, it will develop immune system. It is in an attempt to kill the coronavirus. It starts attacking the surrounding nervous system. That is the problem. Autoimmune disease. It caused by bacteria and viral infection. This is right, and it attacks peripheral nervous system. So 1 to 3 all the statements are correct regarding GBS. Consider the following statements regarding aluminum air batteries. Aluminum air batteries. Aluminum air batteries utilize oxygen in the air to produce electricity. Oxygen in the air to produce electricity. It is cost effective and more energy dense alternatives to lithium ion batteries. It is taken recharge aluminum air batteries is less compared to lithium ion batteries. See, it's by common logic. The time taken to recharge aluminum batteries is less. Time taken to recharge aluminum air batteries is less as compared to lithium ion batteries. Time taken to recharge aluminum air batteries is less than lithium ion batteries. So, which of the following statements are correct? It utilizes oxygen in the air to produce electricity. This is right. This is aluminum air batteries. It is cost effective and more energy dense alternative to lithium ion battery. That is also right. But here there is another issue, that another statement, that is time taken to recharge aluminum batteries is less as compared to lithium ion batteries. The time, yes, it is more. That's it. So that's why battery swapping policy is required in case of aluminum battery swapping policy. Battery swapping policy is required regarding aluminum air batteries. Consider the following statements regarding dengue. The mosquitoes that transmit dengue are also vectors that of chikungunya and Zika virus. So, first statement is right. The mosquitoes, that is Aedes aegypti, that is for dengue, chikungunya and Zika virus, are right. The symptoms of dengue is similar to that of measles. It is also right. That is mild fever, for example, the symptoms like joint pain, muscle pain, headache, fever, these are similar to that of measles. Mosquitoes that cause dengue and chikungunya do not breed in clean water. This is wrong. They breed in the clean water. That causes dengue and chikungunya, they breed in the clean water. So 1 and 2 options are right. So C is the answer. Next question. Hydrogen is the most, in the pure form, hydrogen in its pure form is most abundant element available on earth. Hydrogen in its pure form is the most abundant element available on earth. Since hydrogen has higher energy density than that of diesel, it makes a rich source of energy. So which of the following statements are correct regarding hydrogen? Now hydrogen is in news. So pure form is most abundant element available on earth. No, this is wrong. It is rarely in pure form. Hydrogen is rarely in pure form. In pure form, hydrogen is rarely in pure form. It has hydrogen higher energy density. Yes, hydrogen has high energy density than of diesel. So it makes a rich source of energy. So both the statements are correct regarding hydrogen. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Black hydrogen produced by fossil fuel, pink hydrogen produced by natural gas, grey hydrogen produced by through electrolysis, using energy from nuclear power sources. Which of the following statements are correctly matched? Black hydrogen produced from fossil fuel. This is right, black hydrogen. Brown hydrogen is especially from coal. Pink hydrogen from natural gas. This is wrong. It is grey hydrogen. Grey hydrogen is from natural gas. Pink hydrogen produced through pink hydrogen. Then grey hydrogen produced through electrolysis. So this is wrong. 3 is also wrong because pink hydrogen is actually produced through electrolysis. So it is exchanged. Pink hydrogen produced through electrolysis, but using energy from nuclear power sources. So this one option is right option. Brown hydrogen is coal. Blue hydrogen is created from natural gas. What emissions are captured? Natural gas, what emission are captured? emissions are captured. Which of the following applications? Which of the following are the applications of gold nanoparticles, GNPs, recently in news? Gold nanoparticles. It is detection and diagnosis of diseases. See, nanotechnology, application of nanotechnology, right? Nanotechnology can be used as for detection of and diagnosis of diseases, right? Bio-labeling, targeted drug delivery, this is function of nanotechnology. Electronics manufacturing, this is function of nanotechnology and bio. So obviously this 1, 3, 4 are right. And bio-labeling, bio-labeling is also the application of nanotechnology. So all the statements are correct regarding gold nanoparticles. Consider the following statements regarding lead content in the human body. Lead content. Lead is stored in the teeth and bones where it accumulates over time. It is right. Young children are most vulnerable to lead exposure because they can absorb more than adults. It is right also regarding lead content. WHO has identified it as lead as one of the chemicals of major public health concerns. All the statements are right regarding lead. It stored in teeth and bones, most vulnerable are children and the adults, and chemicals of major health problem of major health concern. Which of the following which of the following statements are regarding hydrogen? Consider the following statements regarding hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest and fast element in the periodic table. Lightest and fast element in the periodic table. Water is most abundant compound of hydrogen found on Earth. Because of its highly combustible property, hydrogen as a fuel can be used only in internal combustion engines and not in spacecraft propulsion. Which of the following statements are correct? Hydrogen cannot be in spacecraft mode. This is wrong. Because hydrogen are used in cryogenic engine. Liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen are used in cryogenic engine. Cryogenic engine consists of hydrogen, liquid hydrogen. It means cryogenic means extremely low temperature engine. The meaning of cryogenic is extremely low temperature engine. Okay. Hydrogen is the lightest and fast element of the periodic table. Lightest and fast element in the periodic table. Yes, because it's one. Next is water is most abundant compound of hydrogen found. Yes, from H2O. Hydrogen is derived by electrolysis. So 2 option is right. Then RTSS is the fast vaccine developed for the protection against tuberculosis, malaria, bird flu or chikungunya. What is RTSS vaccine? It is for malaria, right? Fast vaccine developed to provide protection against malaria, right? Malaria is caused by the pathogen, that is the mosquito, that is female anopheles, right? Female anopheles that causes malaria. Now consider the following statements regarding anthrax. Anthrax is the bacteria that cause anthrax live in environment like soil only for a short time. No. Whenever there is some only, then the chances are very short, only for a short time. This is wrong. It's for a long time it can present, right? Animals like cattle, sheep, goat are more infected in anthrax than humans. Yes, this is right. Usually doesn't spread directly from one infected animal to another infected animal. Usually it doesn't spread. Yes, but it can spread by spores. It can spread by spores. So 1, 2, and 3 options are right. Consider the following statements regarding pneumonia. Pneumonia is a lung infection that affects the air sacs alveoli. Yes, pneumonia is a lung infection. It is in use after the COVID. Pneumonia is caused by bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Yes, it can be caused by these multiple pathogens, that is bacteria, viruses, or fungi. Children and elderly population above the age of 65 years are most vulnerable. This is right. Pneumonia is preventable but not curable. Which of the following statements are correct? Yes, it can be curable, so 3 option is wrong. So 1, 2, 3 options are correct regarding pneumonia. It can be curable. It is a lung infection that affects alveoli and that is caused by bacteria, virus, and fungi. And children and old people are highly vulnerable. Okay. Next, consider the following statements regarding microwaves. They fall between infrared radiation and radio waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. Then, glass and plastic material reflect microwaves. No, glass and plastic material. Microbes can pass through glass and plastic materials. That's why we use them in microwave oven. So second statement is wrong regarding microbes have shorter frequencies. Can be altered by water. This is right. So 2 is right and 3 is wrong and 3 is right. So this is wrong, and 3 is right. So only 1 and 3 option will be the right option. So they fall between infrared radiation and radio waves in the electromagnetic spectrum. So 1 and 3 options will be right. Consider the following statements regarding Helena missile. The third generation fire and fire forget anti-tank guided missile. It is mounted by advanced light helicopter ALH. Its maximum range is 500 km. It is developed with a technical assistance from Russia. Which of the following statements are correct regarding Helena missile? It is an advanced light helicopter ALH. So first statement is right. It has a maximum range of 500 km. No, it has a minimum range of 5. It has a maximum range of 7 km. 7 km is the maximum range. Then it is developed on a technical assistance from Russia. This is wrong. Helena is developed indigenously. So 2 only option is the right option. So lectures end here, and like this video and share and subscribe to VANIKIAS. Thank you.